Okay. The first question is express each number as a product of its prime factors. So according to this question, so they have given one number, right? We have to keep on divide this number until it becomes 0, but only through the prime numbers. Okay. So while dividing this, we have to think about two things. The first thing is the factor should be a prime number. It should be a prime number. Okay. And the second thing is it should be completely divisible. It should be completely divisible. We have to think about these two things while dividing the given number. Okay, so the first prime number, first I should take the prime numbers only, right? So which is the first prime number? The smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Can I take 2 to divide 140? This is the first question. Yes, I can take, because this is a prime number, this is a prime number, as well as 140 is completely divisible by 2. Because 140 is an even number, all even numbers will be completely divisible by 2. So here I can take 2 to divide 140. So 2 70s are 140. Correct? Yes. Next, can I take again 2 to divide 70? Yes, because 2 is a prime number again and it is completely divisible. 70 is completely divisible by 2 as 70 is a even number. So 2 35 is a 70. Okay. Yeah. Next, can I take 2 again to divide 35? No, because 35 is not completely divisible by 2. 35 is an odd number. Then but which is the next prime number after 2? 3 is the next prime number. Can I take 3 to divide 35? No, it is not possible, because 35 is not divisible by, not completely divisible by 3. But how did I get to know that 35 is not completely divisible by 3? There is a trick. Okay, 35. You have to sum up the digits of the number. 35 means 3 and 5, correct? Add it. So when you add 3 and 5, it will be 8, and check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 8 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 8 by 3, 8 is not completely divisible by 3. So you cannot take 3 now. Next, can I take 4? No. 4 is not a prime number and 35 is also not divisible by 4. Okay, then which is the next prime number? 5. Can I take 5? Yes, you can take 5, because if any number's last digit, if it is ending either with 0 or 5, then that means that number is completely divisible by 5. So here I can take 5 to divide 35 completely. Okay, so 5 sevens are 35. Next, this 7 is a prime number. Then from which number I should divide this? 7 is a prime number. Prime number means it will be divisible by 1 and the number itself. The number is 7. So it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 7. Other than these two numbers, it will not be divisible by any other number. So in such cases, you have to take this number only. 7 ones are 7. Okay, done. This is done. Now we found out the prime factors for a given number 140. But we have to express this as a product of it, correct? Yeah. So 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. These are all the prime factors. We have to express this as a product of it. So I have written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now, can I write this 2 into 2 as 2 to the power 2? 2 to the power 2 and 2 into 2 both are same. Okay. And then 5 into 7 as it is. So this is the final answer for the first one. Similarly, can we solve the second question? Okay. The second question is 156. The same question, but the number given is 156. Again, we should apply those two rules. It should be a prime number and it should be completely divisible. Correct? Yeah. Can I take 2 now to divide this? Yes, I can take 2 because 156 is an even number and 2 is a prime number. So I can take 2. 2 sevens are 2 eights are. So 2 78s are 156. Okay. Next, again 78 is an even number. So I am going to divide this by 2 only. 2 threes are 2 nines are. Okay. Next, can I divide this 39 by 2? No, not possible because 39 is an odd number. Then I should check for 3. Is 39 divisible by 3? Yes, 39 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Next, this 13 is a prime number. So it will not be divisible by any other number other than 1 and 13. So I am going to take 13 directly. 13 ones are 13. Done. Okay. So now these are all the prime factors of the given number 156. Okay. Now can I express this as 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. This can be written as 2 to the power 2, 3 into 13. This is the final answer. Okay. Shall we move to the third one? Okay. The third number is 3825. Third question is 3825. 3825. Okay, the number is ending with a digit 5. So I am taking 5 to divide this. Okay. 5 sevens are 35. 5 six are 30. 5 fives are 25. Next, can I take 5 again to divide this? Yes. 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 threes are. Okay. Can I take 5 again to divide this? No, I cannot take because it is not ending with 5. Next, can I take 2? No, because 153 is not an even number. It is an odd number, so I cannot divide this by 2. Then can I take 3 to divide this? Let me check. 1 plus 5 plus 3. Sum up this. So you will get 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 9 is completely divisible by 3. So you can take 3 to divide this number. 3 fives are 3 ones are. Okay. Next, can I take 3 again to divide this? Yes, because 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Okay. Next, 17 is a prime number. So I should take 17 only here because I cannot divide 17 from any other number. Okay, now I got the prime factors for a number 3825. So now this can be expressed as 3825 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17 is equal to 5 square. 5 into 5 I am writing it as 5 square, and then 3 into 3 I am writing it as 3 square into 17. This is the final answer for the third one. Okay. Now, shall we move to the fourth one? Yes. Fourth one is 5005. 5005. Okay. Can I divide this by 2? No. This is an odd number. Can I divide this by 3? Let me check. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. That means 5 plus 5, right? Yeah, is equal to 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. So then can I take, what is the next prime number after 3? 5 is the next prime number. Can I take 5 to divide this? Yes, I can take because it is ending with 5. 5 ones are 0, 0, 5 ones are. Okay. Now, which prime number I should take? Can I take 2? No, it is an odd number. I cannot divide this. Can I take 3? No, because 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Then can I take 5? No, it is not ending with either with 0 or with 5. So I cannot take this. Can I take 7? Let me check. But how to check 1001 is divisible by 7 or not? How can I check that? There is a trick, I will tell you. 1001, right? You have to extract this last digit and then double this. Double of 1 means 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means it is 2. So write 2 here. And then now take the remaining digits. Remaining number is 100. 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 is 98. And check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. Okay, yes. Now I got to know that 1001 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 threes are 21. Okay, done. Now again check whether it is divisible by 2. No, it is an odd number. Is this divisible by 3? Let me check. 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. It is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next. Is this divisible by which is the next prime number? 5. No, it is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is not ending with 0 or 5. Then is this divisible by 7? No, it is not even divisible by 7. Next. Which is the next prime number? Is 9 a prime number? No, 9 is not a prime number. 9 is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. Next, which is the next prime number? 11. But how to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not? I will tell you a trick. Write 1, 4, 3 like this and put a negative sign at the even digits place. This is at the first place, this is at the second place, this is at the third place, right? So even digit place means at this place put a minus. So 1 minus 4 plus 3. If the sum is either 0 or if the sum is divisible by 11, that means this number is divisible by 11. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. That means it is divisible by 11. Okay. Now 11. 11 ones are 11. 3 will be remaining. 11 threes are 33. Okay. Yes. This 13 is a prime number. So it can be divisible by 13 only. 13 ones are 30. Done. Okay, now we got the prime factors for the given number 5005. So this can be written as 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay, understood? Shall we move to the fifth one? Okay, the fifth question is 7429. This is a bit complicated. 7429. This number is a bit complicated because it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 5, it is not divisible by 7, but it is divisible by 17. How did I get to know that it is divisible by 17? There is a short trick to check whether a number is divisible by 17 or not, whether a number is divisible by 13 or not, whether a number is divisible by 19 or not. There is a short trick. I made a video on this, so I will be mentioning the link of that video in the description box. You please check it out that first and come back to this question. Okay, yeah. 17 4 37 are 7429. Okay, and then this will be divisible by 19. 19 23s. Okay, 23 is again a prime number. 23 is a prime number, so we can divide 23 by 23 itself. So 23 ones are. Now we got the prime factors for the given number 7429. So this can be expressed as 7429 can be expressed as 17 into 19 into 23. Okay, yeah, this is the final answer for the fifth one.